Wait, I put some clothes in the washing machine and I need to wash now before the electricity will be gone later. I have already put the Ariel is the for detergent, and here for the Clorox, and here for the Downy. So I have put here clothes, some black clothes. We don't have the soap for the black clothes, the Persil black. We don't have that right now, so I just put a detergent, powder detergent. So we're gonna start now here. Okay, and then we're gonna put it in just a quick wash. And that is cool washing. Okay, we're gonna start. Now start spinning. This will be stopped in 13 minutes and then it's just ready to hang. Okay, bye. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.